everybody. So if you've been on social media, you know that we've been building up the fact that we're gonna have a couple of my buddies here, engineering buddies, to wrench on one of the trucks. And it's gonna be entertaining. You don't wanna miss this. They're gonna be here any minute now. I don't know where this is gonna go. I don't know how this is gonna go. Let me show you the truck. Now keep in mind, they wanted to do this start to finish. So I was kind enough to have the tractor out there and to wire up some lights, to put some light on the situation. We have more over there, so we're almost like a nice film set, like right, official. This is the truck right here. This thing's got flat tires, it's frozen to the ground, there's stuff leaning against it. They need to, first of all, get this thing from here. No, it doesn't run. From here into there. One, without damaging my building. The truck, not as big of a deal. Or the tractor, don't damage that. But this is going to be an interesting night, and maybe it won't even make it in the building. I don't know. Two buddies are coming here. I don't know if they want their names spelled out, but we'll call them A and B. And we'll just say A almost backed out because he tried to out-alpha the whole crowd here today. And it kind of backfired on him. Didn't work as he was expecting it to. But we got him talked back into it. So he is coming out tonight. So it's about to get good. No, you can't piss first. All right, guys. So Big Jake, as we call him at work, or Jake and Sean, are the two engineers. They have arrived. So I'm going to introduce you to them, kind of show you what they're wearing, and see if you think they're ready for work. I'll let you know what I think. And Steve is gonna let us know what he thinks all night long, so don't worry about that. All right, Jake, I see he's coming in the flipping customized swag, so I'm good with that. And the work boots, not bad. Pants are a little dressy, but whatever. And Sean come in with a brand new pair of running sneakers, so he's ready to work, clearly in his running shoes. And they got a couple energy drinks, so they're good to go. They want to hit the ground running. So first things first, do you guys have any request, so to speak, from me, like ground rules? You said something about clothes earlier.
All clothing stays on unless I take it off by my choice, my personal choice.
Okay.
That's about it.
That'd be weird, but that's fine. So Jake may be getting naked, maybe. Sean, anything?
I just want to be safe as hell.
Okay, so a lot of PPE is going to be happening here, and we should think things out. And on top of that, I am also supplying this whiteboard because they're engineers, so they can actually plan this out and think it out. So this is a good thing. I kind of showed you the truck. Let's go introduce them to the truck and let them tell us what they think of how they should get the truck in here. So I don't know how long this is going to take. This could go on all night. I don't know if the truck's going to make it in here, but let's go look at it.
My wife's on already.
My wife's on?
No, my wife.
What's in the bag? Oh, you brought some tools. That's good.
Anything good?
Oh, and your flashlight happens to be bigger than mine.
Yeah, you call
Imagine
that a
that.
flashlight?
He brings a
Actually
big.
have fucking batteries in it.
Imagine that. He brought a big flashlight. All right, come on out, guys. Let's show you. Let me show you the victim. No, you're not doing it out there. You got to get it inside.
Oh, you want to do it outside?
Or you can just do the work out here if you want. All right, so there's the victim. So what you need to do is a front brake job on this truck. This is a 99 Dodge Ram. Oh, you should probably know that.
No.
What is this?
98.
Looks like a 99 Dodge
Oh, wait,
Ram.
Cummins with a G, right?
Yes. Yep.
Turbo diesel,
Yep. Good. Yep. Good observation.
red and gray.
There's some white on the other side, actually. So
Looks
if you
like
want to give it a once over, let me know what you think.
What the fuck is this? What's going on here?
Just some,
some front end damage.
I don't know. You guys might have to evaluate that
We'll fix it later.
as far as that goes. There's some white. You were asking the colors, so that's the colors. There's some minor damage, some stuff in the back. We'll leave that in the back. Don't worry about that.
I think we're gonna have to pop the hood open.
Okay. You could do that.
Maybe later.
No, I mean, you can, if you guys want to pop the hood, you can. There could be something living in here because there's no rear window. No.
Horns doesn't work.
No, there's no horn. There's no horns.
Got a radar gun down there.
Yeah.
Energized Kelsey.
Okay, good, good. Did you want to look under the hood? Are you guys good?
I mean, we can pull it out. Let's start there.
All right, yeah, let's check under the hood. You definitely popped it, dude.
Oh, it's one of these, huh?
Oh, so Sean's on to something. He's
I feel it.
all right, Sean.
I'm feeling
Are you close enough? See, can you see what's actually going on here?
I got enough of the shit show going on.
Sean's
I
probably
got
gonna rip the
fucking
grill off.
something,
Right?
dude.
I'm not sure what he's gonna do. I hope he doesn't rip the grill off. He's got it. Sean's got it. 1 point for Sean. Jake 0.
I popped the hood.
Oh,
True,
it's
you did
fucking
pull the-
electric.
It's
I'll tell you what,
that's for rodents.
this ain't no Ford Maverick.
That is not a Ford Maverick. This is a truck.
I mean,
So
Ford Maverick's a
sorry,
pickup
you
truck.
Ford Maverick owners out there, but this is a truck.
There's another sorry soul
Okay,
for you.
and as you can see, we have rodent repellent, and it works well
Where do you plug it
as
in?
we keep the rodents out of there. Plug it in as far as like what? Plug the truck in.
To charge it up.
You start with batteries, but
I think we should go to the whiteboard and make some plans out.
okay, yeah, you can plan it out. Do you want to finish looking at it?
I showed you everything I have to
Okay, so he's good. Jesus, he doesn't care about that apparently. So
This is this fucking bay here. We'll split the bay.
that's how we
in half.
plan things out like engineers. This is,
There's a flat tire right here. So Scott needs an air compressor.
we got it. I got you an air compressor.
Alright, we're gonna have to blow that one out.
You're the one saying.
Really? This.
No, I like this.
Plan of the day. This is great. I love this. I love this. This will never be written on that board again.
Get air.
Okay.
Get
I thought we had that there.
chains. That was. Now we're doing.
You're getting the air.
That's the one part we
All right.
Air and chains.
You're trying to turn it off.
Hook
Gassed
up.
up the tractor. Works right.
Yeah,
think
true.
we're
We're
ready.
running on a lot of assumptions here.
You are.
I think we're ready to go.
I think so too. And then on top of all,
Safety. I love this. This is.
Oh wait, can you add mine? Good attitude. I'd really
that's a good one.
Oh, positive attitude. POV.
POV.
And for all of you that don't know that, Jake, what is a POV?
Positive vibes only.
No, PVO. See, I did it wrong. Sorry. PVO. Sorry. PVO. All right, Jake. Yeah, Steve, we're gonna need a straw.
We got some gloves.
Okay, good.
Safety vest. It's dark out there.
Oh, good point. Visibility's here.
And only tools you ever need.
Yeah, so it's like a hammer you get at my kid's tool center.
What's the book for?
Plans.
Plan of
We
action.
didn't know we had the whiteboard.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see if.
All right, Sean nailed that. I actually thought he was gonna struggle with that. So,
No.
well done. That's another point for Sean. That's 2-0. If we were keeping score. All
No, the job's gonna take 20 seconds once it gets in here.
right, ready? Let's get out there. Oh, and hey, this would be a great time to smash that like button. Give us a subscribe. It means a lot. We really appreciate it, guys. Stack it neatly, boys. Can we stack the wood neatly? I mean, I did have it there neatly.
Yeah, but you could have taken this out for us.
No,
If you wanted.
no. The rule you said we want to do this 100%.
Do you have anything heavier than wood?
Yes, I'll get to that. I'll find something heavy. So I'm glad to see the wood pile got stacked neatly. Looks like we're building a bonfire now. And if you guys can see, you can actually see. So that's my F600 back there behind Flashy Jake. And this truck is actually the donor to that truck. So the engine drivetrain is actually going in that
Just got my shit.
F600 at some point. So it's coming. Stay tuned. That's another episode.
Got my shit too.
All right,
Hey
so
Steve,
here
how
we
many
go.
engineering techs does it take to mind their own business?
Oh, now we're gonna throw the tech out.
Everything's 36 where I know.
It should be somewhere on the tire, but I can't read it.
somewhere on the tire. What did truck tires do?
Alex, the phone will die.
Jake is pretty happy with himself right now, right? Air, You put air in the tire. The truck's still sitting there. That's okay.
Now we just started up.
Is that the only one?
All right, they want chains. We're going to the barn. I'm gonna find them some chains.
This is how we do dips and pull-ups.
All right, we got chains.
Wait, get her right around. Wait.
Oh Jesus!
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Where's this going? Where are you hooking it to? I'd find like a pretty solid point myself, but
Honestly, people care a lot about
Like here.
location, but in my experience, location doesn't really matter.
I don't want to get wet, Scott.
Just hook it up to anything that can be hooked
doesn't
up
want
to
to get
it.
wet. Sean doesn't want to get wet,
Let's freaking pull.
and Jake doesn't care.
I said just put it right to the radiator and see. As the great Polish saying is, not my truck, not my problem.
Oh, that's what that is. Okay, yeah, good.
Oh yeah, you can.
All right, so hook it up, Jake.
Big Jake. It's gonna rip out.
I guess it could, but I think I like it. I'm gonna go out and show somebody the tractor. All right, Sean's on the tractor. Got the Bobcat going on. He's playing with the bucket controls. I'm not sure why. I'd start with starting it myself.
I know, but I want to make sure I'm on fucking week.
No, stop.
Clown wig.
Time out.
What?
Clown wig. All right, so the rule behind the wig is that when you screw something up, and it warranted a screw up, now we have hazards on, but he is going to try to start this thing again. So this is a diesel engine, okay?
I have no fucking clue then.
So you want to probably turn the key on and let a said glow plug warm up. Such as that squiggly line. So when that squiggly line goes away, it's probably safe to start it then.
Done with this.
Sean, you have to wear the wig. It's the rules, buddy.
Dude, I wore it long enough.
No, it's not yet. You have to redeem yourself. All right, I had to step in because it is my tractor and I don't want it broken. Well, you got headlights on. Yeah. Okay, get the parking brake off. So now the parking brake's off. It won't move. It's a hydro, it's not a manual. So, now pull on that lever. Good. Now, you don't like the gloves? I'm even gonna give you some more light. What?
Which one's the
The brake is right here.
What's the gas?
Huh? Right here. Forward, reverse.
What's this?
Neutral. You don't even need to use that.
Alright. What's the shifter here?
Okay, you're in gear. Watch the ditch. We don't need to put it in the ditch. No casualties today. Jake, what are you doing? I'm digging the wig. Doing this with a wig on is just over the top. It's over the top.
Alright, we're good.
The worst case I can stand up.
It'll just shut off.
Safety.
Unless the parking brake's on. Alright, so, alright Jake, do your thing. Not that thing. Yeah, he wanted 2 pairs of gloves, and now he's got no gloves on.
The middle thing? Does that work?
Put it around your neck.
Metal thing.
That's a little hurt.
Man, this is painful.
Alright, never mind. Resort back.
John, I say we just YOLO this.
What are you doing?
Just tie it on the hook. Fuck that thing. Never mind. Dude, this. Jake, I'll take the hat.
Jake.
You know how to grapple hook works?
Jake, trade.
Apparently
Jake,
not.
I'll take the hat.
John,
Put the foot switch on.
sorry you warranted it.
Here we go, Jake and swing.
Nice hair, by the way.
Thank you. All right.
Like a split for half.
All right, Jake, guide us through. Let's get this thing hooked up.
Wait, I put the wig on. That means I get some advice. Yeah, I'm going live.
All right, Steve's doing it. All right, Steve. Remember that thing you used to say with monkeys and footballs?
Oh, yeah.
And now they're planning it out. How are we gonna do this?
We're thinking.
God. He's got the Captain Morgan pose. This is great.
See that big N right there?
Hey, put the window down.
Hey, I'm pulling.
Why don't you want to be in the truck again?
Steer it. Steer it. Go that way.
Honestly, further than I thought they'd get, to be honest with you. Oh man, they better not hit my building. Someone's gonna die tonight. This is wicked cool. How's it going? This is Sean's first time on a tractor. First time on a tractor. Don't get him too close, Rick. Not even worth the risk. God, they better not hit my building. They better not. What are you doing in the truck? Get out of the truck! They're gonna push it. Sean is gonna push this truck. This. Hey, Jake's flashlight. Yeah. Now we're pushing on. He's pushing on the plastic grill. This is. Oh well. This dude. Oh Jesus! Here we go. Yeah, they're pushing it. Couple of 20-year-olds can do anything. Conquer the world. Till they get... Jake, you all right? You guys didn't need a break? Timeout? There's no timeout? You guys okay?
Like I said, C's get degrees.
C's get degrees. Right here, boys. You heard it first. Engineers at work. There is no workman's comp on this job, just so you know. And they're pushing it.
I know, they are getting it. I'll give them that.
It's not into the
Fucking
building.
dead tired, but
Jake, ask yourself, if this was a Maverick, how would you steer this thing into the shop?
You would turn it on.
All right, we're pushing again. Apparently, this is where it's gonna go, but going into the shop, uphill, it's gonna suck. All right, I'm going in to have a hot cup of coffee. I'll be back in 5 minutes, see where they're at. All right, it's been 5 minutes. I had a hot cup of coffee. See where we're at.
Hey, where's my fucking car?
Steve, you can take 5 minutes. You've got plenty of time, bud. So we're regrouping now. Jake has redeemed himself back to his hat with the wig, though. Is the wig in the truck?
I don't know.
It's coming back. The wig is coming back. I'm certain it'll be back before they're even in the building. What's the plan? I think you mentioned pushing it with the tractor.
Yeah, we're gonna hit it at this end, push it with the tractor.
He's gonna hit it. He's gonna hit it.
Well, you said we couldn't pull it in there.
I
That's why
know.
we're pushing it.
I did say push it. He said hit it. I think Sean might have found his new passion. Running a tractor. All right, good. Rick stepped in. Rick stepped in, everyone, to save the fluorescent bulbs because the engineers didn't pick up on that. So that's another point for... Apparently Jake is not paying the heat bill, so we're just gonna measure the width of this 10-foot door to verify that this 6.5-foot wide truck fits through it.
It's 9 foot.
Hey, Jake, what's going on? You're breathing heavy, bud. You all right?
Ram me, Sean.
You heard that, right? I'm not editing that out at all. Up some more. Up some more. All right, come in slow. Yep, come in slow. Nice and slow. Okay, that wasn't quite slow. At least I wasn't standing there. Up a little bit.
Hey, Scott, how's your insurance? My back felt that one.
I told you no workman's comp. Okay, good. Now come in slow again. Nice and easy. Holy shit. All right, I don't care. I'm stepping in at this point. All right. Turn the wheel. I think I'm helping him too much, Steve.
you are helping them way too much.
That passenger wheel is seriously bent. Like, I don't know what's going on with it. If we use that chassis on the build, this means straight.
He doesn't know anything about that.
Oh my God, what the hell is that?
That was just Sean.
Good. That'll buff out. All right, guys, there you have it. Not our typical. All right, as you can see, this wasn't our typical video, and we tried something different. We tried to do a little bit of humor, and we had some fun. Yeah, there are a couple of engineers, but they're good guys, and they can wrench on stuff too, with some guidance from us. But that's okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Tune in for more. Drop a comment. Tell us what you want to see. 2023 is going to be great, and we want to do it with you. Thanks, guys. Flippin' Customized.